Oh, ain't no telling where this might go, but I take my chances either way. So come and fuck my life up, baby, fuck my life up. Come and fuck my life up, baby, fuck my life up. Come and fuck my life up.
Oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man. Today is gonna be a really exciting day. It's pretty crazy what's going on. So if you saw the title of this video, then you know that we might just buy a twin turbo 370Z Nismo today, which is freaking insane. Yesterday I was scrolling on Facebook and I came across this really good deal by one of the car salesmen, and he gave people on the internet a little inside information about the car and why it's a good deal. It's a twin turbo 370Z for the price of a regular 370Z Nismo. So we gotta go over there and we gotta snatch this up. But yeah, we gotta check out this car, see if it's good. We're running a little bit later and I wanted to leave. It's about 2 hours away over in Fort Pierce. But no biggie. At least it's in Florida, so let's go check it out. Oh man. We're in traffic right now. There's a shitload of traffic. This is that morning traffic. This sucks. We're supposed to get there by like 9 o'clock according to the GPS, but with like this last minute accident going on 95, it looks like we're gonna be there around 9:50 to 10 a.m. Woo! We out of here, baby. Let's go. I think I found the dealership. This is it. This is it right here. All right, let's pull in. Let's go see if I'm walking out of here with a new Z or what. But there's a lot of people that want to buy, but from very far away.
Yeah, like that guy's in Maryland. There's one guy in New York that owns a performance shop.
Yeah.
He's like, same thing. I'll just wire the money. I don't need a deposit. I'll wire the money. I'm like, look, bro, I can't change. People are showing up. I can't change it. It's over my head.
Okay.
There's too many people already messaging. I'm gonna get the key again. We got it yesterday. This is the way that it came in. We haven't cleaned it or done anything.
Oh, question. You don't mind that I record?
No, that's fine.
All right, guys, this is the car. So, as you can see, a carbon fiber hood. It's really clean up front. All right. It's really nice. I love the headlights with the red and the white. That's really nice. Wow. Alright, so we got a Michelin the Sport 4S's. They feel like they're pretty brand new. Wheel got a little bit of curb brush. I don't really care about the wheels though. I actually like the hood more in person. Body's pretty nice.
Also, the detail manager has the key. I'm gonna go get it from him.
Yeah, no problem, man. Take your time. So check that out. It's got an Army Tricks on it. That's a big plus right there. Got the Army Tricks. Car's cold, so I'm the first guy here. So it looks like there's a lot of people interested in this car, and I'm pretty much the first guy to come out here and check it out in person. But there's a lot of people like across other states trying to buy this car right now. So we're just trying to see what we could do. Let's talk numbers. Okay.
Want to look at started.
It's got kick plates. Alright. So this is the interior. Got the red Recaros. Pretty nice. Okay. Different gauges. Let's pop the hood and get a little bit more. And that's for the Army Tricks. So we checked the oil. Oil's looking good. Everything's looking good. I'm gonna go ahead and start it.
Yeah, go ahead.
Super quiet. So we got a boost controller here. Looks like we're at 9 to 10 pounds. All right, Steve. So what's with this?
That's the exhaust.
You know how to work the controller first?
Yep. So on. That opens the exhaust. Off. Closes it. Auto. He said after 3,000 RPM, it automatically opens.
Okay.
So he said he worked late at night.
Okay.
So he didn't have a lot of ruckus when he left.
So this is as loud as it's gonna get?
I don't know. Hit
It's
on.
Pretty quiet.
See the difference?
That's on?
Yeah. And off.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Okay. I hear it. Dude, let me drop off my camera and then we'll do a test drive.
Okay, cool.
The car is pretty clean. It's pretty nice. It sounds kind of quiet. I'm not too worried. Doesn't sound bad. Look at it go though. Oh man. It's a sexy car. Definitely looks good. sucks about these new 2015 Nismos is that the older 2014 ones like mine, they usually have a badge here with a number, but the newer ones, they got rid of that. I don't know why. Sweet, thank you. So how aggressive is this clutch? Because you said the wife,
She said she couldn't push too much.
she couldn't do it, huh?
Harder time.
Feels pretty normal.
For her, it wasn't.
That's nice. Drives pretty smooth. So you said 480, huh? 480 to the wheels?
That's what he claimed.
Nice.
480 to the wheels. I'm sure though, NUR, I'm sure if we called them, they may
They could
be
probably
able to,
tell us more about the car.
He only sent me the specs.
This is the original sticker. That's cool, man. That's nice to see a one owner car. Very sleek. Carbon fiber hood is growing on me a little bit. So we just got off the phone with Vic from Miami Z Parts. He gave us a little bit of inside info, like what to look out for. So we'll probably get the numbers now, how much it's gonna cost us, see if they look good, and we'll probably take the car on another test ride to check for a couple more things to look out for. And if the price is right, bro, we might have to pull the trigger on this. All right, let's go. Sorry about that. So we're looking at 31.1. Give me 1 second. I'll be right back. The car's pretty much out the doors, probably like 31 flat. Because I'm probably gonna transfer the plate, so we save some money on that. That's a pretty good price so far, 31. Pretty fucking good, guys. With the amount of parts that's like on this car, it's a really good deal. Really, really solid. Of course, you know, I gotta see if I could get this for the best price possible, you know? You gotta try. It's becoming a reality. I think it's a really freaking nice car. I might just go back and ask for the Carfax first though. Let's do that.
So you can't say I didn't
No,
try.
for sure, man.
I can't
just
let
like
you
to
say I didn't try, bro. I'm just saying.
I like to see that. It's cool.
Well, listen, maybe we can do some business in the future,
Of
too.
course, man. Always.
Right.
Maybe I'll trade it in for a BMW. Let's do one last test drive. Let's see what's up. You gotta be sure what you're buying, man. You know.
All for it.
What?
Watch out for that cop.
Is it top?
It sits right in here.
So we're just gonna go on a little bit longer ride, see, you know, any overheating, any stuff like that, like, you know, make sure everything checks out. Can't get tired of that sound, man. Oh man, that's nice.
You trading that for the others?
Huh?
You trading that for the others?
Nah, I'm buying it.
Oh, you're buying it?
Yeah.
That's your old one?
Yeah, another one. Mine.
Oh, it's yours also?
Yeah. I own both.
Hey, congrats, man. What, that one's twin turbo, right?
Yeah, man.
It's quick.
It was nice. Yeah, man.
Congratulations, bro.
Thank you, bro. Appreciate that. Let's do it.
Ready to go?
Let's do it.
Hang tight for me.
You are one lucky dude.
I think so too. I think so.
There's a waiting list a mile long for that car.
I beat him to the punch though. Money talks.
I haven't seen a car do that in a long.
Yeah? Crazy, huh?
When you have people calling and
Off the hook,
hold
huh?
it, I'll take it right now. I'll pay more. I'll do it. Just don't sell it to anybody. I'm coming right in.
You haven't seen crazy in this?
That never happens.
No? Wow. I just did the craziest thing of 2019 so far for me. We bought a twin turbo 370Z Nismo 2016. This is officially ours. Welcome to the channel, baby. We got the old Zoe and the new Zoe. This is so insane. I'm gonna go over what has happened now that it's officially ours. One of the salesmen from this dealership, he pretty much posted on Facebook yesterday about this car and how it has a twin turbo kit on it, and they're pretty much selling it for the price of a regular Nismo. This has a Fast Intentions twin turbo kit. The guy spent at least $17,000 on that alone. Then we got a Various carbon fiber hood. That's another $1,800. Looks like he did the headlights. We also have an Army Tricks exhaust, which is electronic. It has an electronic, it has a remote, super crazy. That's another like $3,000. What's up, guys?
Dude, that's cold-blooded right
Like
there.
that? You like that? Well, thank you
Nah,
guys.
I was looking
This-
at you. I figured you putting it on the
YouTube, bro. This video's gonna blow up, man.
Oh, I know it is. So you're gonna have two under the garage?
I'm probably gonna start like prepping the white one for sale.
Okay.
I'll probably sell it.
Bro, the taxi's getting non-stop. I'm
Just
like, are
insane.
you kidding me right
Insane how this, just people just keep going, huh?
now? Yeah, it's crazy. Nice car, bro. Nice car. All right, man.
Hey, have a good one. Thank you so much.
No problem, man.
Look at that. That's crazy. I officially own 2 370Z Nismos. This is insane. If you don't know the story, I originally bought my first 370Z and I did the same exact thing that I'm doing now, and I went and got this 370Z Nismo. And now we're getting rid of this one and we're upgrading again. So this is just insane, guys. This is super crazy. It was installed by a NUR, so it's a performance shop. It wasn't done in someone's garage. Everything's legit. Look at these Recaros. Like a year or two now, I've been trying to get these Recaros and I have them. Man, oh man, this is my car. But if you guys are ever in the market for 370Z Nismo 2014, the only white and gray combo, very rare color scheme, here it is. Hit me up on Instagram at risky_rabbit. You know what it is. You're looking to buy a Nismo. I'm officially driving the car home as we speak. We had some rain showers and I checked the engine bay multiple times. Water doesn't really seep in through the vents, which is good. Just, it's so addicting hearing the turbo sounds. I'm not gonna lie. Yo, miles per gallon in this car right now is just like very high. Fuck gas mileage, bro. Oh man, I'm gonna have fun with this car. Alright, so let's get into the logistics of this car and how much did it cost me out the door. So there's a 2016 Nismo with 22,000 original miles, which is pretty good already. And they usually go for anywhere from 30 to 32. So now, the previous owner that turned it into this dealership at a performance shop, he installed a Fast Intentions twin turbo stage 1 kit. Now, out the door, I spent 30,600 XX amount. That's pretty fucking good. Man, this is so sick. I can't believe I got a boosted Z. Tomorrow I'm gonna get the car checked out fully, compression check, the whole 9, just to make sure that this car is solid. And then we'll start to really like get some power out of it and stuff like that, and we'll start to build it more. Right now, as it sits, it sounds like it's a pretty solid platform. And I'm excited for the future, guys, and I hope you guys are excited too. So I'm gonna end this video with just one word of advice to everyone. If I was not ballsy today, there was probably at least 5 to 10 people interested in this car, ready to snatch it up. Because I decided to last minute just go balls to the wall and say fuck it and took the risk, I now own this car. No risk, no reward. Remember that, guys. But that's enough rambling for today. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope to see you guys in the next video. It's gonna get really interesting with this car and I'm really excited. So please like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. Leave a comment on what you like most about this car. Alright? Peace.